All right, so quick follow-up here to the last one. We're just going to show how to get a GIF into an email signature and have it hyperlinked, see what that looks like. So we're gonna go up here in Gmail. I use Gmail. If you use something else, I'm sure that there are similar settings. Just follow along in whatever corresponds to your preferred email vendor. Go to settings, go to see all settings. We're gonna scroll down to the actual signature section. And this is going to just have whatever we want to put here. If you've probably put something here before, so let's just get rid of that. So what we would do is say we have our little bit we like here. We will then go to insert image, upload, and we will select the file that we want to upload. Okay, so I couldn't find my original Voxel deliverable GIF that I made. So what I did was uploaded the one that we just made. The one thing that I really dislike about this is that it doesn't give you an option to expand the text box. So you kind of have to just deal with this crappy little view right here. But what you can do is click or highlight it and you can resize it. So large, medium, small, original size. I would recommend either large or medium here, depending on what you want to do. So we'll just go with medium. We will highlight it and then we'll click the link over here. It's going to give us the option to send this to a web address. So all I'm going to do is go to my YouTube link, copy the link, paste it here, hit OK, and then save changes. I'm not actually going to save the changes because this is not how I want it to be, but let's go take a look at what it looks like. So here we have an example of what it looks like when you send. This is my actual GIF. I did this before just to show this test. So yeah, it just pops up and it just loops, and I have mine set to kind of loop a little bit more neatly. So it has this white screen, click to watch. But yeah, basically you just click that and it'll open up. So I have mine actually linking to Vimeo, but yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like, how to do it super quick. Hope that was helpful.